Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can save up your iPhone storage by uploading your larger sized files on your iCloud. And have the smaller size of them on your iPhone. This process is called optimization. This means that your files will still stay on your phone in a low quality, so don't worry about your files losing quality, because when you open a file it automatically recover its high quality. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So opening settings. After having this results, immediately open your Apple ID settings. So now after it's opened, you can see all your Apple ID information, so all you have to do is go on iCloud. So now it's been opened, you can see all the application and programs that have access to your iCloud. So to optimize your storage, simply click on Photos. And now as you can see we have several settings. And as you can see we have our settings set on download and keep originals, meaning that on this setting your files just stay on your phone and don't lessen in size. So all you will have to do is to click here on optimization of iPhone storage, so from now on your files larger size, it will automatically be uploaded to your iCloud and the less file size will stay on your phone. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.